In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a line break within a cell in Google Sheets. This can be particularly useful when you're trying to keep your spreadsheet neat and organized, allowing you to display multiple lines of text within a single cell without having to resort to broader columns. To start, let's first navigate to Google Sheets. Open up your web browser and go to the Google Sheets homepage. From there, if you haven't already, make sure you sign into your Google account. You'll need to be signed in to access your files. Now, once you're at the Google Sheets interface, choose the spreadsheet where you need to insert a line break. Click to open that specific document. With your spreadsheet open, find the cell where you'd like to insert the line break. Once located, go ahead and double-click on that cell to enter the editing mode. You'll notice that the cursor is blinking inside the cell, allowing you to make changes to the text. Next, it's time to decide exactly where in your line of text you want to make the break. Simply navigate to the specific point by positioning your cursor. This is important because it determines where your text will be divided into separate lines. Once you have your cursor in place, it's time to perform the action that will create a line break. If you are using a Windows system, you should press Ctrl plus Enter on your keyboard simultaneously. For those who are using a Mac, the equivalent action is to press Command plus Return. This shortcut inserts a new line, effectively creating a break at your specified point within the cell. And there you have it. The text within your cell will now be separated into different lines. This can be a huge help when you're formatting cells for clarity or when you need to display information in a compact yet organized manner. No need for extending the cell width or height excessively, just neat breaks in line. By using these simple keyboard shortcuts, you can make text in Google Sheets more presentable and easier to read. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to try this out on a few different cells to get comfortable with the process. Once you get the hang of it, adding line breaks in Google Sheets becomes a quick, effective way to improve the appearance of your data. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in making your Google Sheets even more functional.